My name is Jennifer Kuyrkendall Griffin. I'm running for Suwannee County Judge. In today's installment of Scales, or Suwannee County Access to Legal Education series, a program I developed in 2019, I'm going to be discussing more in depth about the role of the personal representative. As we discussed last week, a personal representative is necessary in all formal administrations. So what is a personal representative? Well, it's defined in Statute 731.201. It defines personal representative as the fiduciary appointed by the court to administer the estate and refers to what has been known as an administrator, administrator cum testamento annexo, administrator de bonis non, ancillary administrator, ancillary executor, or executor. To be eligible to be a personal representative, the person must not have been convicted of a felony, must swear that he or she is mentally and physically able to perform the duties of a personal representative, be at least 18 years of age, and state whether or not he or she is a resident of the state of Florida. And if a non-resident, you have to include a statement of the person's relationship to the decedent in accordance with Statute 733.304. Now, that statute talks about non-residents, so a person not domiciled in Florida cannot be the personal representative unless the person is related. So it has to be a legally adopted child or adoptive parent of the decedent, related lineally to the decedent, such as a child. You could be the spouse or a brother or a sister, uncle, aunt, nephew, or niece of the decedent, or somebody related by lineal consanguinity to any such person or the spouse of a person otherwise qualified under that statute. Now, I touched on some of the duties of a personal representative last week, but let's go ahead and review a more comprehensive list now. The personal representative should identify, gather, value, and safeguard the decedent's probate assets. Publish a notice to creditors in a local newspaper in order to give notice to potential claimants to file claims in the manner required by law. Serve a notice of administration to provide information about the probate estate administration and notice of the procedures required to be followed by those having an objection to the administration of the decedent's probate estate. Conduct a diligent search to locate any known or reasonably ascertainable creditors and notify those creditors of the time by which their claims must be filed. Object to improper claims and defend any lawsuits brought on such claims. Pay the valid claims. File tax returns and pay any taxes properly due. The personal representative may need to employ professionals to assist in the administration of the probate estate, for example, attorneys, certified public accountants, appraisers, and investment advisors. Pay expenses of administering the probate estate. Pay statutory amounts to the decedent's surviving spouse or to the decedent's family. Distribute probate assets to the beneficiaries, and then close the probate estate. So as you can see, it is quite complicated. So in designating who you want to be your personal representative in your last will and testament, keep that in mind. The personal representative is going to be required to be represented by counsel. They're going to guide the personal representative, but there is so much work to be done. Now, this has been a broad overview of what a personal representative is and the role that they perform. Next week, I'm going to discuss determination of homestead status and what that means. If you found this information useful or you know somebody that could benefit from it, please like and share and follow the campaign's social media. If you have a particular question or a topic you'd like me to address, send a message through the campaign's social media or website, and I'd be happy to discuss and make a video on the topic, but just remember I can't talk about the specific facts of your case. If you miss an installment of Scales, visit the campaign website to see all of the Scales videos that are available. And remember, on August 23rd, 2022, I'm asking you to vote for me, Jennifer Kuyrkendall Griffin, for Suwannee County Judge.